Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I do have the POCO F8 Ultra and I'm going to tell you what to do if your fast charging is not working. In these types of the Android phones we do have very quick fast charging and very quick wireless fast charging, but sometimes it doesn't work. What to do? At first, what I do recommend doing is to check the cable. If you do have your cable, for example, from Temu, from AliExpress, or any other company, or from any other platform like that, I'd rather take a different one, a different cable, whether original, for example, from the box, and the same with the charger, and check it for the compatibility. So actually, the charger from the box is the best for your phone, and so is the cable. But if you didn't receive the charger, I do recommend buying the beta, for example, or any certified ones that are just compatible with these phones. You can check that in the description of the charger itself and the cable itself. And apart from that, if you know that both these things are compatible, check for the damage itself. If your cable is, for example, damaged, or if your charger is, for example, damaged, and you see the visible damage, something may be wrong, and the charger may be just limiting its power delivery to your phone, and it's not that quick. But apart from that, if you don't see any visible damage, you have to clean your phone's charging port. I know that this phone came out recently, but yes, you can have the charging port dirty. I do recommend cleaning the charging port with a non-metallic tool, for example some brushes. So you can take, for example, some makeup brush or any other brush that don't leave, for example, the hair from the brush itself, and clean the charging port in your device. Apart from that, go to your settings in your phone. By the way, the moment, let me just quickly exit the previous settings. Go to the settings, scroll down to the battery right here, and now tap the charging options. As you can see, wire charging mode is by default set to standard. Tap it and tap top speed. Of course, the device may heat up, but that's not about it. Apart from that, you can enable smart charging and tap the same thing on the wireless charging mode, but by default sometimes it's silent, so set it to standard. And actually that's it. Apart from that, here we can go to the settings again, scroll all the way down to it wasn't all the way down, it was in the about phone. Tap on the about phone, tap here on the OS version, and here if you do have some update right here, for example some Android security update, Android version or something like that, if you do see the update here, just update your phone immediately, because you may have some quick fix in your phone. Apart from that, as a final tip, you can test your device with another fast charger or outlet to see the difference. And that's it for this video. Have a nice day and goodbye.